Snapchat can be confusing to the newbies, but it is actually quite simple to navigate after some time. Most people, mainly parents, find every aspect of ChatSnap, Snapper Chat, or InstaSnap, also known as Snapchat. Many people have trouble understanding how to use the app and has often called it confusing. Their complaints center around filters, friends, and often leave people wondering the purpose of the app. For all the clueless ones, lol. We will dissect the hidden features of Snapchat and how it works, from posts, conspiracies, filters, privacy, friends, and purpose. The main purpose of Snapchat is to post and journalize your life. Pictures that you take are called snaps and are uploaded to your story for all of your followers to view. They stay visible for 24 hours or if deleted before then. Your followers can view your story however many times they want within the 24 hours. Snaps may be screenshotted, commented on by swiping up, or even screen recorded. You will receive a notification if any of these actions take place. After taking a picture, you have the option to save it to your camera roll in Snapchat memory, which is kind of like a storage drive. There's a symbol in which you press to activate this. FYI, there is no limit to how many pictures one can take. In addition, there is also a feature which adds a little fun to Snapchat, widely known as streaks, which keep track of how many days in a row you and a friend have sent pictures to each other for. Some people streak for 500 days, while others only for 5. Snapchat offers many forms of privacy. One feature which mainly is used for the sneaky people is My Eyes Only. It is guarded by the use of another password to access whatever inside, like embarrassing pictures or videos of friends. Snapchat also gives the option to regulate who may see your story. You are able to block people from seeing what you post, or even make a private story to where you have to be added to a group to view. Location accessibility is now available after the new update. Friends can now see where you are on the globe, but if not, just activate ghost mode, which hides your location from everybody. Of course, if you allow them to, though, you have to go through a few clicks and settings. They can find out where you are currently or where you have been before. To continue, snaps are never totally deleted from one story after 24 hours, whether private or public. I'm sure we all have heard from parents, teachers, college admission officers say that whatever is posted can be tracked. Most people ignore them, but posts on Snapchat can be tracked by Snapchat security if needed, months or even years later. Unopened snaps automatically delete after 30 days, and unsaved messages delete after 24 hours. It is always key to watch what you send and post because you never know who is watching. Filters are probably the most popular and liked aspect about Snapchat. It helps people look good or distort your face to make yourself laugh. After taking a picture, just swipe left or right, and various colors will change the look, or geo filters pop up which track your location. There's also an option to create your own geo filter for a special event like a wedding, birthday, school campus, restaurant, or work offices. Different filters pop up for different holidays throughout the year, like 4th of July, Christmas, New Year's, or President's Day. The major point of Snapchat is to make friends and communicate with them. If that means creating a 50-person group chat to send memes back and forward, then so be it. If you ever meet someone that you would like to keep in contact with, there are multiple ways to add them as a friend. By username, phone contact list by uploading, add nearby, or snap code by waving your camera over a special barcode, which changes for each person. If someone for a reason makes you mad, there's always a way to handle that. Just block them, or until you cool off. Just hold their name down until options pop up, then click settings, then the block button. Voila! Problem solved. Lastly, by swiping left on your screen, Snapchat provides a way to view most popular stories, following random trending topics and yet alone interesting topics. Hundreds of topics ranging from would you rather games, news alerts, to fun facts and how-to. These topics come from different sources and change daily, even hourly. The only way to keep seeing the same interest is by subscribing. This can be done by holding down on the story depicted in a box and pressing subscribe in the top right-hand corner. Or if the topic is boring. Do the same action, but instead press the see less like this button. There are so many ways to enjoy Snapchat. It can be your most private social media app or most public, depending on the type of person you are, of course. It could be the most fun app to be on or the most confusing, mainly depending on age. What I'm trying to say is that Snapchat is what we make of it. Nobody else can try to tell you how to run it, what to post, or even who to follow. There are many confusing components that make up Snapchat and its hidden features, but it is a wonderful source for socialization, communication, and most importantly, relaxation.